I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're cooking something out of our book, which is the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook, one of the shortest titles in history. Today we're doing, you tell me.
The Endothelium Enhancing Beet Soup.
On page 86, if you were going to follow along. And it is so exciting because it starts with a whole.
No, you get.
You drive.
Yeah, I'm on this. It's beets, and you just get a bunch. Like 3 beets is fine. And I happened at my CSA to have gotten these beautiful Chioggia beets, and I have cooked these. But this one I cooked. This I have not peeled because I wanted to wait. Because one of the most fun things to do is you boil the beets, and then it's like peeling a big fat snake. Because look, all of this just.
But I know. When have you peeled a snake?
I don't know. I always peel snakes. I don't know. So anyway, but the cool thing is these are Chioggia beets. These are not the bright red beets, so that they're going to be a little bit pink
pinker
and lighter in color. And this is the bunch that came in my CSA. I made this soup about 2 days ago, and we had old beets. And
do you want to do it already?
Yeah, beat it up.
So I wanted to say the recipe says to have 3 medium-sized beets, and so what we have here are 6.
They're small.
Small. I mean, these are baby beets, not baby, but little beets.
It doesn't. Really, this doesn't matter. You don't need to go by how much. And in fact,
a little how much?
Jane, where's the
Tovolo?
Yeah.
Tovolo, on call.
Let's just get this down here, and then see. Oh, it's such a pretty pink.
Oh, top cam. Let's show the top cam.
Can
the top cam see
we'll do it again.
Okay, top cam. Woo.
So, next, we're supposed to put in a whole orange, peeled, whole thing. However, we don't have the orange.
So instead, to get an orange, and I thought you said orange juice. And
so
we never
instead,
even get orange juice. So I was.
So, but orange juice is great. And in fact, it's really good to have on hand because sometimes, like when I made it with my old beets, do you have a measuring cup?
Yes. How much do you need?
Half a cup. So, I know it's about half a cup of orange juice. Orange, the whole orange. All right, and then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and the sort of zest. I zested it. I did it already.
Good.
And mint. And this is about a 1/4 cup of mint from our garden.
Is that from your yard?
Yeah.
I only grow spearmint for some reason, but.
Well, I don't like my mint.
I like your mint.
Do you? I decided my mint was bad mint.
No, mine's it's like gum.
So.
Do you want this to go in? I was.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'm just holding.
Wait. And then, this is it. Oh, Jane, a little bit of black pepper.
Yeah, the one thing I get to do is the black pepper. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Is that enough? It's all stuck on the spindle. It's all.
Well, that's the trouble with.
I know. I should have aimed left or right. I got bullseye right. Here, let's dust it off. There we go.
Oh, tasted it. Now, the thing about this soup, there's just not. I mean, it's so simple. It's done, and it's beautiful. And the crazy thing is that beets make both your pee and poop very red. So just beware. But maybe with this, it'll be pink.
I know one of our children had a friend over who had beets with us, and he went to the ER the next day because he thought he was pooping blood. And I thought, oh, this poor kid has never had. I'm holding the spindle. I'm totally blocking the camera, but this doesn't plop in.
So what is nice here is to just have, you don't need a whole lot. I didn't make a whole lot, but maybe this serves 3.
3 to 4.
And I don't know where the 4th would go.
3, and then a friend who's visiting who doesn't like beet soup.
Oh, everybody's going to love this beet soup. You may think you
Okay,
don't like
let's try
beets,
it. Let's,
Jane.
Let's give it a try.
Well, I thought we'd save it for lunch.
Okay, I just want to give a wee taste.
Yeah, you got to taste it. And you could put more orange juice, more orange in. But anyway, there's just nothing as delicious as this soup.
Do we what's it called? Garnish it with a little bit of mint, or what do we do?
Oh, yes. That's why I have
or
these.
Or lemon, or
No, look.
surprise
The top of the mint.
Lemon.
Look.
Okay, okay. We're just gonna give Wade one. We taste.
Sure.
Now,
Give that a taste.
isn't that
I
just
want- I
so
want to
beautiful?
have a wee taste. That's great.
Isn't that good?
Here, want to taste it?
I just tasted the end of the
I actually
tovolo.
want more lemon. Taste it. Tell me if you want more lemon.
I think it's perfect.
I can't believe I want more lemon.
Well, Jane,
I think it's great. I think
wait,
it's great.
wait.
Here's lemon juice.
You can put lemon juice.
We can
We'll
augment
serve
with
this on the
at lunch.
side.
Perfect. Well, enjoy your Okay, the endothelium, by the way, is the innermost lining of your artery, and it's magical. It's the superpower of your artery, of your vascular system, and it has the capacity to expand and to keep everything slippery running through your vessels.
And these beets help produce the nitric oxide that makes that endothelium so powerful.
Yeah, it makes it
so
able to dilate.
fill your lives with endothelium enhancing beet soup.
Cheers. Thank you.